Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making juicy, healthy turkey burgers. To begin, place 1 pound of ground turkey into a mixing bowl. As a binding agent, we need 1 large egg. Using a fork, beat the egg and add to the ground turkey. If your ground turkey is 90% lean or more, add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. If you don't have avocado oil, olive oil will do. We don't want dry turkey burgers, do we? 1/4 cup of Italian-style breadcrumbs. 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 3 cloves of garlic, minced or pressed. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt and about half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, or to taste. Go ahead and combine it all in until evenly incorporated. We are making 4 turkey burgers. Split out the meat into 4 equal portions. Now, to make perfectly shaped burgers, we are using a burger press. To make life easier, place a piece of plastic wrap into the press. Then transfer the ground turkey portion to the press. Then press down just like so. Once your burger has been shaped, transfer onto a plate. Press down and shape the rest of the ground turkey. Easy peasy! If you don't have a burger press, you can do this by hand, of course. Check out the link in the description box down below so you can get your own burger press. You may keep them in the fridge until you are ready to cook them. Now, place a frying pan over medium-high heat. Spray the pan with non-stick cooking spray. Make sure your pan is nice and hot before frying so you get that delicious sear on the burgers. Cook the burgers for about 4 minutes per side, and while you wait for the burgers, do a happy dance. Place a lid over the pan to trap the heat and ensure that they get fully cooked. And after about 4 minutes, flip them over and cook the other side for another 4 minutes or so. Keep them covered as they finish cooking. Ensure that the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh. These guys are good to go. Set aside and cook the rest of the burgers. Once your burgers have been cooked, you may want to clean some of the grease from the pan. Use the same pan to toast your buns. Now, to assemble the burger, we are using romaine lettuce, a slice of cheese, tomatoes and red onion, and some mayo if you like mayo. Serve with a side of air-fried sweet potato fries. Now, you're most definitely ready to eat. There you guys have it, juicy, healthy turkey burgers. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, see you on the next one, bye! Yeah!